Hey, what's up you guys? Gemini GSV here, coming at you with the Infinite Flight video. I didn't do an Infinite Flight video in a long time, so this time it's going to be with an A380 by Air France. This plane is at final approach on runway 4 right at JFK Airport. It came back from Paris and is experiencing some light turbulence right now. The A380 is the biggest passenger plane, of course, so that's how, I don't know, I just did it this time with the A380. So what we're going to do now is play a video. I hope you enjoy the landing. So yeah, that's it. What we're going to do for now is I'm going to give you guys a control tower view. This was actually one of my best A380 landings. Maybe the only problem is that I came in a little low. You'll see that. And you saw that in the landing the wing view. Yeah, you could see that I came in a little low. So I had a long flare, but that's okay. And I landed a little early, but that's actually a good thing. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna have more frequently Infinite Flight videos. I realized that I'm not doing a lot lately, so I'm actually gonna have another one today, and we'll call it a day. I am going to do an Infinite Flight video of the Delta E175. So yeah, just like if you want me to do an Infinite Flight video of any specific aircraft, just leave a comment. That's all you have to do, and I'll try to respond to you. Sometimes it takes me a long time to respond because I have to. I can't get to every one of you guys right away, but I promise I will get to you sometime. So yeah, so that's all. If you want to do, and also if you want me to review a specific aircraft that I have in my model airport, just leave a comment. So yeah, comment, like, and subscribe. Stay tuned.